In dance performance, you must have heard about this word called prop. The dictionary meaning of prop is that object which an artist uses or manipulates to enhance his art form. Photography is also an art, and wildlife photography is no different. But I had this sore experience when we called one famous photographer, a product photographer in our association, Orange City Photographers Club, and he said that I never do wildlife photography because I consider it as an accidental art form. Animal comes, perform some action, and you press the button. Some people, they have this cheap mentality of underestimating others' profession, underestimating others' art form. In Hindi, we have this term called Mansik Daridrata. Anyways, let us come to our topic. Whenever a dancer uses a prop, his art form is enhanced. So similarly, why can't we as a wildlife photographer use that prop? Let me explain you. This lion sitting on a termite mound is in itself a good photograph. But if I zoom out, shoot vertically, include that acacia tree behind and that rainbow, it takes the photograph to the next level. Similarly, this tigress was photographed with a prop using the two tree trunks to frame the subject. These two tree trunks used as a border enhances the visual appeal of this image. So whenever you are on a safari and you are in front of an exotic animal, it is but natural that you will be overwhelmed by the situation and you will start shooting. Take some record shot. If you are apprehensive that the subject might run away, but then calm down. Look around. See in the vicinity. Is there any object, any element which I can incorporate in my frame to take photograph to the next level? Or is there any other thing which I potentially can omit so that it doesn't act as a distract? Next time, whenever you are going on a safari, use this tip. Remember, the prop or that additional element must be complementing the visual appeal of an image rather than distract. So think, shoot, and keep exploring.